Hey folks, welcome back. I'm gonna bring you just a little very simple chicken and rice casserole. I'm gonna do it in Emeril 360, and I don't have a casserole dish, or at least one that'll fit in the 360. So we're gonna attempt this. Now, I've never done this in the 360 at all, so we're gonna do this for the first time, and I'm just gonna use my Dutch oven over here that you've seen me use on several videos. We'll see what happens. What could go wrong? Let's get going. Okay, I got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna season these up. They're not real big, so we'll see what happens. We'll give these just some salt, pepper, garlic I have on hand. I'm not gonna hit them real heavy. Gotta get some flavor in here though. Give these a flip. Hit them again. All right. Okay guys, just gonna get some cooking spray, coat the bottom. I'm just gonna lay our chicken breast in there. I'll turn that around. Guys, I just got 1 cup of just long grain rice, uncooked. Pour it directly over top of the chicken. Okay guys, I just got a can of cream of mushroom soup. Put that right in our bowl. Maybe. Might have to encourage it. Okay, we're going to add to that just 1.5 cups of water. And just give her a good mix. Add the flavor and absorb all of that rice too. Nice. Let's get this on in here with the chicken and everything else. That wasn't very graceful there, Mr. Rogers. Make sure everything's covered. Lovely. Let's get this in the Emeril 360. As always, when I'm using the roaster oven here, I don't worry about preheating. Okay, I've set this, preset this on the roast setting for 325 degrees. I'm gonna go 1 hour and 10 minutes. This chicken isn't as big. It's in here, it's in the Dutch oven. I have a feeling it's gonna go a little bit faster. So I'm gonna check this at 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we'll see you then. All right, let's get this guy out of here and check some temperatures. Hopefully that rice is done. We've been 1 hour and 10 minutes. Oh, if I can get this out of here. Guys, let me get this off of here. Give this thing a check. Our chicken is done. I'm not convinced on our rice. Yeah. Definitely needs to be stirred. Yeah, I think once we stir everything in, I think we'll be fine. I'm gonna let that stand a few minutes, guys. I'm gonna get my family fed. And I'll check back with you here in just a second. Oh yeah, looking delicious. Okay, I'm not sure how neat this is gonna be. A bit of rice. Got this piece of chicken right there. Come in here with some green beans that Mama whooped up for us. This chicken is so, I don't really even need this knife, guys, I promise you. It is that good. All right, look at there. Get a bite of that. Okay guys, I'm gonna get a little bit of that rice with it there. Maybe it'll cooperate a little bit there. Guys, check it out. That's a big bite. I'll take a bite off of it. You know guys, for quick and easy, that is delicious guys. You gotta try this. Very simple. It took an hour, a little over an hour. Amazing, that onion soup mix with the rice, cream of mushroom soup. It just all worked well with the rice. That rice is exploding with flavor, guys. Delicious. Just one of those quick, simple meals. I wish I had a casserole dish that would fit. Let's also go good in a crock pot. I see no reason why it wouldn't work good in a crock pot. So guys, as always, thank you. You are the reason we keep doing this, and I'm having a blast doing it. So guys, thanks so much guys. We will see you on the next video. God bless you folks. Bye bye.